Mabuhay, and welcome to the Banaue Rice Terraces. Hello, everyone. Today, we're embarking on a journey to one of the most breathtaking and culturally rich destinations in the Philippines. Nestled in the heart of the Ifugao Province, these terraces are a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of the Ifugao people. Today, we're going on an adventure to a really special place in the Philippines. The Banaue Rice Terraces are often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. These terraces were carved into the mountains over 2,000 years ago by the ancestors of the indigenous Ifugao people, using only primitive tools and their sheer determination. Get ready to explore the Banaue Rice Terraces in Ifugao Province. These terraces are not just a marvel of ancient engineering, but also a living cultural landscape. The Ifugao people continue to maintain and cultivate these terraces, preserving their heritage and passing down their knowledge from generation to generation. These rice terraces are like giant steps carved into the mountains, and people have been growing rice there for a very long time. The terraces are irrigated by an ancient system from the rainforests above the terraces. This intricate irrigation system is a marvel in itself, showcasing the advanced agricultural techniques developed by the Ifugao people. I'm excited to share why this place is so amazing and why you should put it on your travel list. The Banaue Rice Terraces are not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but also a symbol of sustainable agriculture and community resilience. Visiting this place offers a unique opportunity to witness the harmony between humans and nature. Are you ready to learn more? Let's go! As we delve deeper into the history, culture, and natural beauty of the Banaue Rice Terraces, you'll discover the stories of the people who have dedicated their lives to preserving this incredible landscape. So lace up your hiking boots, grab your camera, and join us on this unforgettable adventure. Did you know that the Banaue Rice Terraces are so impressive that they're often called the eighth wonder of the world? It's true. These terraces are located in the Philippines, specifically in the Ifugao Province. They are a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of the Ifugao people, who have managed to create a sustainable farming system in such a challenging environment. The terraces are carved into the mountainside, creating a stunning landscape that has captivated the hearts of many travelers and historians alike. They're over 2,000 years old, which means they were built long before cars or even electricity. Imagine the dedication and effort it took to construct these terraces without the modern machinery we have today. The Ifugao people used their knowledge of the land and their environment to create a complex irrigation system that allows them to grow rice on these steep slopes. This ancient engineering marvel is not only a source of food, but also a symbol of their cultural heritage and resilience. Can you believe that these terraces were made mostly by hand, using simple tools? The Ifugao people used wooden plows, stone tools, and their bare hands to shape the mountainside into these intricate terraces. This labor-intensive process required not only physical strength, but also a deep understanding of the land and its natural resources. The terraces are a testament to the Ifugao's ability to adapt to their environment and create a sustainable way of life. It took a lot of hard work and skill. The construction of the terraces was a communal effort, with entire villages coming together to work on the project. This sense of community and cooperation is still evident today, as the Ifugao people continue to maintain and cultivate the terraces. The terraces are not just a source of food, but also a vital part of their cultural identity and heritage. The terraces are so high up that if you stack them on top of each other, they would reach higher than Mount Everest, the tallest mountain in the world. This incredible feat of engineering is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the Ifugao people. The terraces are not only a source of pride for the Philippines, but also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for their cultural and historical significance. So the next time you think about the wonders of the world, don't forget to include the Banaue Rice Terraces on your list. The Banaue Rice Terraces have a long and fascinating history. Long ago, the Ifugao people, who lived in the mountains, needed a way to grow food on the steep slopes. They were incredibly smart and hardworking. they came up with the brilliant idea of building terraces. These terraces helped them create flat areas for planting rice, and they also developed a clever irrigation system to bring water from the mountains to the plants. The Banaue Rice Terraces are truly a sight to behold. Imagine standing on a mountaintop, looking out over thousands of green terraces that seem to go on forever. It's like stepping into a postcard. But it's not just about the view. When you visit the terraces, you'll also experience the rich culture of the Ifugao people. You can meet local artisans, try traditional Ifugao food, and even learn a few words of their language. Section 5. A day in the life of the Ifugao people. Nestled in the mountainous region of the Philippines, the Ifugao people have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Their villages are often surrounded by the breathtaking Banaue Rice Terraces, a UNESCO World Heritage site that stands as a testament to their ingenuity and hard work. The Ifugao people have a deep connection to the land and the rice terraces. These terraces are not just agricultural fields, they are a symbol of their cultural heritage and identity. The intricate irrigation system they use is a marvel of ancient engineering, allowing them to cultivate rice on steep mountain slopes. For them, it's not just about farming, it's a way of life that has been passed down through generations. Families work together in the fields, with elders teaching the younger generation the traditional techniques and the importance of respecting the land. This generational knowledge ensures that their farming practices remain sustainable and in harmony with the environment. If you're lucky, you might get to see them planting or harvesting rice using traditional methods. These methods have been preserved over centuries and are a vital part of their cultural heritage. The planting season is a time of community gathering and collective effort, where everyone plays a role in ensuring a bountiful harvest. They also wear beautiful hand-woven clothing. Each piece of attire is crafted with intricate designs and vibrant colors, reflecting the rich cultural tapestry of the Ifugao people. The traditional dress is often worn during special occasions and ceremonies, showcasing their pride in their heritage, and have unique dances and songs that tell stories of their history and culture. These performances are more than just entertainment. They are a way to pass down stories, traditions, and values from one generation to the next. The dances often depict historical events, agricultural practices, and spiritual beliefs, providing a window into the soul of the Ifugao community. Section 6. Hiking through paradise. One of the best ways to experience the beauty of the Banaue Rice Terraces is to go for a hike. There are trails for different skill levels, from easy walks to more challenging climbs. As you hike, you'll see breathtaking views, hidden waterfalls, and charming villages nestled in the mountains. Don't forget to bring your camera to capture all the amazing sights. Section 7. More than just a pretty view. The Banaue Rice Terraces are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which means they're recognized as a place of special cultural and natural significance for the whole world. By visiting the terraces, you're helping to support the local community and preserve this incredible place for future generations. It's a reminder that we should always protect our planet and its wonders. Section 8. Share your own adventures. Have you ever been to the Banaue Rice Terraces or any other amazing places in the Philippines? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Leave a comment below and tell us about your favorite travel memories. And if you're planning a trip to the Philippines, don't forget to add the Banaue Rice Terraces to your list. Section 9. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for joining us on this virtual trip to the Banaue Rice Terraces. We hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures. See you next time.